Hi gang, I just had a chance to test out an idea I had with the audio going into the iBooks author tool. So you see here that I've downloaded an MP3 file of a podcast from the Rabble Podcast Network, and I'm just going to, I just control clicked on that, and I'm going to open it with QuickTime here, the QuickTime player, and then I'm going to export it, and I'm going to say I'm going to export audio only, and it says compatible with iPod, iPhone, iPad, and Apple TV, Mac, and PC. That's going to save it as an m4a file, and I've already done that, so I'm just going to click cancel here. But you can see right here that I've got that file, the m4a file now. If I drag the mp3 file into iBooks, which I have open here, I'm going to get an error saying the media file blah 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 wasn't added, the file is not supported. That's okay, that's fine, I'm happy with that, because if I take the m4a file and drag it in, and I'm just dragging and dropping here, it creates a window very similar to the video window, but now I can control that size, and I can actually bring it down in size, pretty small, and drop it in, and I've got a player here for the
This is a Rabble Podcast Net.
For the podcast. I can also go over here into, I'll just bring this over so you can see it, into the layout format here, and I can control what I show. So if I don't want to show the title, I can get rid of that, and I just want to show a caption, and I can turn a background on, so you notice it's going light gray there. It's about as small as I can get. I'm just going to paste in a proper header there, or a caption. There's only 2 lines long here. So that's sitting in there. I think that's about as narrow as I can make it. I'm just going to try to make it a little more narrow. That's about it right there. It's locking it there. So I can embed that as a podcast there. So we've managed to get audio in without a video component, which is surprising to me. I didn't know that you could do that. I just did it on a whim. But that's one possibility. So I just thought I would share that with you. And the other thing I want to try to do here, and I'm not sure I'm going to be able to do this.
New voices in your head. It's radio.
Yeah,
Free
so it's
radio.
The audio is playing contiguously while I move through, or continuously, sorry, while I move through the document in the author tool. I'm not sure that it's going to happen out into the iBook format. I'll try that more later on. Anyway, I just thought I would share that with you and hope that's helpful. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.